I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in good. First, check where the ads appear so you know what to change: top results, suggested messages, or banner cards in the reading pane. Once you know location, open settings and go straight to mail options. You'll act on layout, external content, and rules. Make sure you're using the web app for testing because changes are immediate. You'll make privacy and layout edits now that stop tracking and reduce ad placement, not later. Now you'll change behavior that feeds ads. First, in layout, disable focused inbox so promoted messages don't get prioritized. Then create a simple rule that moves senders labeled suggested or promo keywords into a promotions folder. This hides them from the main view. Next, under Mail, privacy, block external images and remote content so advertisers can't track you. Finally, visit your Microsoft account privacy dashboard and turn off personalized ads. These steps cut impressions and targeting simultaneously. Finish by choosing a durable solution. Upgrade to Outlook Premium or Microsoft 365 if you want ads removed entirely, or add a reputable browser ad blocker for web Outlook. Once done, verify changes by signing out and back in, or open the inbox in a private window to ensure cached banners aren't showing. If ads persist, clear cache, disable conflicting extensions, and retest with a different account. That often reveals whether it's account-level settings or local browser issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.